All right, another big day. I am headed down to Smash Plastic in Chicago for the pressing of Live at Bitter Jester Music Festival Volume 2. I'm gonna head off down to the record pressing plant, and then we will get to watch the Volume 2 record get pressed. We've already had some really great reviews from a handful of radio DJs and music bloggers. I think the artwork is better. I think the music is even better than last year. And I am excited to share this little journey with you all. So I will see you at Smash Plastic. It's a shot of me driving. I am at Smash Plastic, which is somewhere down there. About to go in, get this show on the road. See you inside. Fun fact for those who didn't see last year's video, we were in the old Hammond organ factory. They used to make all the organs. We are here, Smash Plastic. This is where the magic is about to happen.
Hi, I'm Steve with Smash Plastic, and I'll kind of go through how a record is made. Starts with your stampers. So the negative of the music. It's kind of thin, made out of nickel, very flimsy. So you got to protect them. They come in these sleeves, which we get from a vinyl company. Then those get put on the press, and it starts with our PVC. So this is clear. We're doing a clear swirl record. So there's our clear PVC with some swirl bits there. And then it drops into our extruder. So the extruder heats up the PVC and comes out of the top. It's about 275 degrees when it comes out of the top. And it comes out in the form of kind of like a rope or a cord. A cup comes down and it fills that cup, which we call a puck or a biscuit. So that biscuit is your record before it's formed. The biscuit transfers into the press with the labels. So your A and B labels, that all transfers to the press. And then those stampers are in there. So you have your A stamper, your B stamper, those come in. Puck goes in, comes down and closes, and you're actually pressing that label and the music into the record there. And then think of it as a giant waffle iron. Stuff comes out the sides. You've got to trim that off. So once it opens back up, we put it over to our trimming station. It trims off the flash. And then you get your nice smooth edge record that you can listen to at home.
Gotta get that B side on there too.
What is your favorite part of this whole, of the production
of the whole process?
Yeah.
Just watching good records come off, I think. I mean, just to see that in action is pretty neat.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Can I see some hands in here real quick? Can I get a clap going there? Huh? Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna sing a little something for you. It's very simple. And if you can handle it, I want you to sing it back to me, all right? Sound like something we can do? All right, it goes like this. On the countdown of a comfort, trying to rewrite all my life's work, making me cry till my eyes burn, losing my ground till I return. The space is in between, lost in my ways, I'm losing my patience, I'm falling from pressing. It's time to erase it, but every time I see you now, it gets me tough and so worked up, running out of luck. Tell me how to feel.
That door is heavy. My phone is almost dead, So I will sign off here and say, looks awesome. And I'm so excited. I can't wait for people to hear this. We'll post some of the reviews and some pictures of the artwork. And hopefully people will pick up their copy. So that's it. Signing off from Smashed Plastic 2024, live at Bitter Jester Music Festival Volume 2. See you next year. Or this summer, I guess. See you this summer. See ya. Such a dork.
And so